Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix battery draining issue in iPhone 14 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on general. Then in general click on software update. And from here check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated, then first of all update your iPhone, and after updating go back to general and then swipe down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now enter lock screen passcode and after that enter the screen time passcode. Now again click on reset all settings to confirm. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset all your iPhone settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So I hope it will fix your problem, but if it doesn't fix your problem, then swipe down to open control center and from here turn on low power mode. So after turning on low power mode, it will fix your problem, but if you are still facing the problem, then open settings, scroll down and here click on display and brightness. Now from here turn off true tone and go back, and after that scroll down and here click on sounds and haptics. Now here go to the system sounds and haptics section, and from here turn off lock sound and system haptics. After turning on these two options, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.